In this tutorial, we will be seeing how to add a new content type using CCK module. So you can get CCK module, Content Construction Kit module, from Drupal projects, Drupal modules. Content Construction Kit, you need to download this module. You got various versions which supports both 4x versions of Drupal and 5x versions of Drupal. Content Construction Kit allows you to create and customize field using web browser. So you can create a new contents using this Content Construction Kit. Here you can see in your website administrator and content types. Here you have various content types like blog entry, page, panels and story. So you can create pages according to these content types. If you want to create a new content, here you can see those listings: blog entry, page, panels and stories. So if you want to customize it, or if you want to add a new field, or if you want to add a new type of content, so you can use this content construction kit in order to do these things. So you need to download this module and install in your Drupal modules directory. Enable it. So once you have copied your CCK folder into your modules directory, you will be able to get these things: content, content copy, field group, node reference, numbers. So you need to enable all these things. So once enabled, you can use Content Construction Kit. So now you need to go to Content Management and Content Types. Here you have default things: blog entry, page, panels, stories. Now I'm going to add a content type that is similar to blog entry. Add a content type. Its name is going to be admin message. So and its type, it's going to be something admin. So a short description about it. Now submission form, title, field. So this is only these things you will be seeing in your while creating contents. You will be seeing these things. Title, if you leave blank, you won't be seeing anything. So I will just leave it as such. And what is your default options? So whether it has to be published by default or promoted to front page, you can even enable this. So these are default settings that this node will inherit from this content type. So to just create a content, you need to name it and give it a type, and then set these default settings and save content type. So you can see here actually admin message. So let's create an admin message now. Create content, and here you can see admin message, newly created content type. So click on it. Title, give it a title. Welcome to blog. So this is my title and this is my description, and here you can have all kinds of input formats: filtered HTML, PHP code or full HTML. You can change this. You can even set these default settings in your content type nodes. Menu settings, you have all options. So let me just preview it and submit. So this is my admin message, a new content type. So now let's add some features into it. So what are these things called? Features, adding some fields to your contents. So administrator and content management, content types. So here you have a tab called fields. You can add these fields to any of your content types, either a newly created content type or a blog entry onto your page. So now let's see how to add a new field to an admin message. So I'm just going to edit it. Here you can see manage field, display field, and add field. So I'm just going to add a new field. These are field types that you can add. It can be a select list or an autocomplete text field or an integer field, a decimal text. So you can add any of these things to your admin message. All you need to do is just give it a name. I'm going to add a text field like checkbox or radio button. So I'll just add poll. Name is poll, and I'll use as checkbox or radio buttons and select create field. So now the label is poll. What's the label title? So checklist or a radio button. So I'm just going to, these are data settings. Either you can set these as a required field or a multiple fields, multiple values. Text processing is going to be a plain text. So maximum length, you can have these controls. Allowed value list, and I've created a poll now. So to my admin message, I'll just save this field and let's check it out in our create content. So this is where you set your weights. Poll, so poll should be at the last. So I'll just make it as +10. Update. Now let's go to create content and add a new admin message. Pointer blog with polls. You like pointer blog? So just I think here you have an option called poll. So actually this is not applicable at present, so because you need to add more values to in those content types, in those content type fields. So I just showed you how to add a new field to your content types. In our next tutorial we will be seeing a more detailed view of adding fields to your content construction kit.